Today we're going to be making a bird feeder, and you have a kit, and inside your kit you have instructions on making the bird feeder. You have everything that should be in your kit. That's the things you're going to need to make this. It's very simple and a lot of fun. So the first thing you need to do is take the tube out of your kit, and you have a piece of twine in there. You're going to string it through the tube. Now we could cut this so that it's the right height that you need, but for this purpose I'm going to leave the string as is. I'm going to tie a knot in it. So you have this. The next thing we're going to do is refer to your instructions. You're going to coat the tube with peanut butter. I'm going to use my instructions as a placemat. In your kit, you should have some plastic knives. And we're just, like you're frosting a cake, you're just going to spread it on. Get it to the edges. There should be enough peanut butter in here, but if there's not enough to cover your tube, that's okay. You can leave the part where your twine is going to be without peanut butter, because you want it kind of thick. The thicker it is, the more bird seed it will hold. Okay, so like that. That's pretty good. Then the next thing you need to do is take out the sheet of wax paper that was in your kit. Hopefully this doesn't blow away on me. Let me grab this. Peanut butter on my iPad case. Take your seeds, put them on your paper. And then you're going to roll. It's going to get a little messy, okay? You're going to roll it in the seeds, making sure to cover all your peanut butter, just like that. Oops. Okay. So when you're done, you have something that looks like this. And then all you need to do is find a pole out in your yard or a tree, hang it, and watch the birds come and feed. That's all I have for you today.